An Ajet Boeing 737-800, operating flight VF 3182 from Istanbul to Batman, Turkey, was forced to abort its climb and return to Sabiha Gökçen Airport after the crew reported a cracked cockpit windshield at 10,000 feet. The aircraft had just departed runway 06L when the pilots noticed a structural failure forming across the windshield, a potentially dangerous situation at altitude. With the risk of pressurization loss, visibility issues, or even structural compromise, the crew immediately halted the climb and requested an emergency return. As the aircraft lined up for runway 06R, it was forced to go around before making a safe landing 15 minutes later, approximately 45 minutes after departure. With VF 3182 grounded, a replacement Boeing 737-800 was dispatched, finally reaching Batman 2.5 hours behind schedule. Meanwhile, the damaged aircraft remained on the ground for inspections before being cleared to return to service 24 hours later. While windshield cracks may seem minor, at 10,000 feet, they pose a serious risk of structural failure, especially if they expand under pressure. A full windshield failure at cruising altitude could lead to rapid decompression or worse. Ajet has yet to release an official statement on the cause of the windshield failure, but this incident raises urgent questions about maintenance procedures, part durability, and overall aircraft safety. This is a developing story. More updates as they come.